In this video, I'm going to show you how to print a booklet using Adobe Reader. So to do this, you want to open your document, go to top left and click on File, and then click on Print. You could also click over here, that's going to work as well. Then select your printer, I'm going to use this HP over here, and under Page Sizing and Handling, you can see it says Booklet. Click on that, and then here you can select your booklet subset, so you could do both sides, front side only or back side only. It's up to you. I'm going to do both sides. And then here you can select which sheets you want to print, so 1 to 1, or you could do like just 1 to whatever number you want. And then you can select your binding as well. So there's 4 options: left, left tall, and right tall. Select the one that you want. I'm just gonna go with left over here. And then of course the other things are up to you. You can select which pages you want to print, the orientation, comments and forms, etc. And over here on the right, you can see the preview. So if I scroll through, you can see it's actually set up to print it as a booklet, which is great. You can just hit the print button and there we go. You're basically printing a booklet. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.